Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to manage vendor bill under Community Edition. So the vendor bill can be either managed from a purchase module or from the accounting module. And a vendor bill is generated as a result of the creation of a purchase order. So as you just move on to the purchase module, here you can see that under here we can just create the request for quotation. To create a request for quotation, you can just set the vendor name over here and you will be purchasing the item from and the buyer will be Michelle admin over here. Okay, so I'll be choosing the vendor and we can add the product in two way. It can be either by moving on to add a product, or as you just move on to catalog over here. In Odoo, we'll be getting the product which are available only for ReadyMat, and you can see that it's currently filtered based on the vendor ReadyMat. So you can just add the item by clicking on add, and you can just add different items over here. And once it's been set, you can see that we can just confirm the order and it will be moving as a purchase order. Now it is just turned as a purchase order and we need to create a vendor bill. In order to do so, first we just need to print the purchase order. Once it's done, you can just move on to upload bill. And under the downloads, you can find the bill which is generated, and you can just choose a file over here and you can see that currently we have added the bill, and you can see currently it is we'll be getting two options. It can be either bill or receipt, and in this case I would like to create a bill, and you can see that all the other details is being added over here, and it is mandatory to mandatory to set the bill date, and I'll be setting the date over here, and let me save the changes that we have made. And upon clicking on confirm, you can see that it will be moving on to the posted state, and currently it's paid. So that's how we manage with the vendor bill. Now you can see that as you just move to the purchases, you would be able to see the vendor bill which is associated with this. Now you can see that when you just choose a vendor bill, you can find the reference number of this bill. So this is the reference number. So you can see that the bill will be generated under the invoicing. So in accounting, under the community module, we know that we don't have a direct accounting module. But the accounting activities can be managed from the invoicing module, and there you can find the vendor, and upon moving on to the bills, you would be able to see the bill that is generated. So as you just choose the bill number over here, you can see that you can find the bill which is generated over here. As we haven't set the quantity or quantities over here, the amount is showing as 0, but the price is given over here, right? So that's how we manage with the vendor bill. And if you only need to create a bill separately for the vendor, you can just create it under the invoicing module, and here you can choose the vendor, and here you can see that you can provide the label. But if you want to specifically choose a product, you can move on to the field settings and choose the product, and you'll be getting the option to add the product. So I'll be adding the product, and let me click on confirm, and here you can see that we just need to provide the bill date, and you can set the bill date, and afterwards you can click on confirm, and we have just done with the creation of the bill, and currently it's posted. And if you just want to make the payment, you can just choose the payment button, pay button, and that will pop up a wizard in order to provide the URL, the payment method, and all other details. So you can click on create payment, and you can see that currently it's paid. So that's how we manage the vendor bill under the community version of Odoo 19. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.